All right, here we are taking a look at the crude oil outlook for August 31st, 2010. And we talked yesterday about this actual move off of this level here. We're looking at the daily chart. And we're coming off the daily 21 EMA at the time. So let's start the daily chart. We always like to do that. And we're coming off the move here on the downside, and then we bounced last week and had a big move up Friday of the last week, and we hit the 38.2% retracement here right around the 75.50 area, and we took a short off of that last night during the Tokyo session, and we had a 1, 2, or a 3-step approach taking profit, and we chose the first step and took everything out of the market. But if you were able to hold on, you hit the second profit target as well as the third. At any rate, here we are back at a key level, $74. So we're going to go into our intraday charts, or some longer term with the 4-hour, but we're going to see where we're at. We know where we're at on the daily. We've hit a key retracement level. Are we going to head down now, or is this level here going to hold? So we're going to look at some other charts here. All right, here we have on the left side, we've got the range bars. This is the 5 range chart, 13 range, 21 range, hourly with daily pivots, and the 4-hour with weekly pivots. And right now, we are coming off the third profit target we had, which is now this M2 level here. Happens to also be the daily pivot point, or weekly pivot point rather, right at this level. So looking at this as a possible opportunity to get into a scalp long, if we get a good signal on our 21 range chart. If we get a signal on that, and then some confirmation, we build some higher lows or do a fib on some of the lower range, like the 13 range and even the 4 range, using that for momentum, then we'll be able to get long on this and look for a target back at the daily pivot point. With a good stop, good risk to reward. I'd like to see this come down just a little bit more and maybe touch 73.90, and then get a reversal signal and then head up, and we'll just lock break even and see where we're at. So the lower the entry here, the better, to around the 95 level, 90 level, and then you could see the first area of congestion coming back up around the 74.20 area. And on top of that, your final target on this is going to be around, I would say about $75, but you're going to pretty much want to just take everything at 74.80, right in here. So we're looking for a reversal signal on our 21 range, right, down around this level, anywhere in here, and we could be getting it right here at $74. I'd like to see it get just a little bit lower so we can get a better risk to reward ratio, but at any rate, on the hourly chart, M2's holding, coming back inside the Bollinger Band. So the same sort of pattern we saw happen last night could be forming today, back to the central pivot, or back to the middle of this whole trading range from the top to the bottom here. And then once we get some more traders back in the market tomorrow, with the holiday being over, and for the London session, everything should hopefully make a decision one way or another with the market. Right now, coming down here, see we've got this 4-hour wick, we got the weekly central pivot point, 4-hour 21 EMA, and typically on that kind of profit target, final profit target, holding a small piece for continuation, and then your second profit targets, you're going to be like at 8 SMA. And then using the range bars and stuff, that's a lot easier to see and a lot easier to tweak. But in general, the 8 SMA is always a good place to get out for a second profit target. And your first will be the first level of support or resistance. And this happens to be probably around the 20 level. But let's come back to the daily pivots. Quite possible. Hourly 21 right here. So let's look at the momentum on that as we come through the Asian and European session. And then what we'll look to do is get long on this when we get a reversal signal, and then scalp to maybe spot this way back up to our daily pivot, and then see if we don't get a signal to go scalp to the other side and see if we can hold on to something. Otherwise, if you want, just stay out of the market till 9 a.m. and see where we're going to go on everything. But I think there's some opportunities in there and plenty of pips to be had. So that's what we're taking a look at, and we appreciate you stopping by. Cheers.